Hey, I'm Matt from Red Shark, and welcome back to another RSD tutorial. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual, where instead of showing you how to create something in particular, I'm just going to be walking you through a certain effect in Adobe Illustrator. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the Scribble Effect. So, without further ado, let's hop right into it. Okay, so like I said in the intro, today we're going to be looking at the Scribble Effect in Adobe Illustrator, and as you can see here, I've applied it to some text just to give an idea of what it looks like. And I've also gone ahead and created these 10 hexagons and applied each one to it, and a duplicate over here for us to just do it together. So we're going to hop into this. It's as easy as a couple clicks. So we're just going to select our shape or type or whatever you want to change, and come up to Effect. Come down to the first stylize option, not the one down at the bottom. Go to the first one, come over, go down to Scribble, click, and there we go. So I pull the Scribble options panel out of the way. You'll be able to see over here, we can turn off on and off preview, and that'll show us what it looks like before and after. And we can change our setting here. So number one, we have childlike. I'm just going to select that. And as you can see, the one here looks a lot different than the one over here that I have on the test panel. So to change this up, what we can do is we can play with our angle, which depicts, as you can tell, the angle of what the stroke is being applied at. And then we can change our path overlay, how much it goes outside the bounds of our original path. We can change the variation in the scribbles. Let's see, the stroke width. Try to get something that looks pretty good here before we move on. Bump that up a little bit, do the spacing. I need to decrease our width. So 5. Spacing tight. That's not too bad. Okay, and then all you have to do is click OK, and it puts it there for you. Another cool thing about this is that if you come over to, let's see, your window appearance panel, you'll be able to see that your Scribble effects are still applied. And if you ever want to come back and change that before you make it, or before you expand the shape, just click Scribble again. It pulls up that exact same Scribble options panel, and you can change it again. Just that simple. I've also created this second file here in Adobe Illustrator. Fair warning, but we're going to take this and make it a nice fridge piece for mom to hang up, but using the same effect. So we're going to come down, select one of our shapes, stylize, scribble. I think I'm going to keep these all childlike just to give it that feel that it deserves. So I'll go ahead and play around with these and then show you the final product. And then we're left with something that my mom would hang on the fridge when I was 6 years old. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram for more tips and tricks, and subscribe to our newsletter for all things RSD.